Hello and welcome to a stadium that has a wonderfully old-fashioned feel to it, Goodison Park. I'm Derek Ray, and joining me in the commentary position is the former England defender Lee Dixon. And we've got Premier League action coming right up. It is Everton taking on Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Hi Derek, thank you. Well, both managers will be reminding their players how important it is to start off the game really quickly. Really attack the opposition, put them on the back foot, see what comes of that. Hopefully we get a good game.
11, Theo Walcott. Number 10, Gylfi Sigurdsson. And number 18, Morgan Schneiderlin.
And here's how Everton line up. England international Jordan Pickford will be in goal. Luca Digne plays with Djibril Sidibe in the fullback positions. Alex Iwobi starts with Theo Walcott in the wide areas. And the tactical configuration has two players in attack from the very outset. The initial 11 for Wolves. In goal, it's Rui Patricio. Leander Dendoncker plays with Willy Bolly in central defence. Ruben Neves plays alongside João Moutinho in the centre of midfield. And the striker is a man who can be a real handful, Raúl Jiménez.
Thank you, Goodison Park. Enjoy the game.
And this head-to-head confrontation is underway. Kean. Luca Digne. It will be now. Moise Kean. Might be able to get in behind the defence. And the cross not quite imaginative enough. Moutinho. Well, sometimes there's no great mystery in terms of a team's preferred style, and the visitors do like to press high. It's very much their game. Lee, would you expect to see more of that?
Yeah, I think it's their preferred option for sure. Be interesting to see how high and how long they press for in this game. It's a really physical way of playing. That tactic suits them, but can they do it for all of the game?
Moving the ball effectively. He has time to play it over. And that was a very fine read. Quick thinking to dispossess his opponent. Sigurdsson. Schneiderlin. Sigurdsson. And now Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Sidibe. He's going forward well here. And a very good challenge. Now here's Johnny. Dendoncker. Ruben Neves. It's with Ruben Neves. A bit sloppy in possession. It will be now. Schneiderlin. It will be. Well, they're sitting ever deeper. Calvert-Lewin. Sigurdsson! Well, I must say, you could see that coming. They were standing off, and now they've been punished.
Well, Derek, you're right, it has been coming. Now it will have to be plan B, but I'm not sure this team's got one. Well, you tell youngsters in that position just to hit the target. You can't score unless you do, and on this occasion he does, and he scores.
Back in business then, and Everton with the advantage.
Everton, number 10, Gylfi Sigurdsson.
Jimenez. It's with Ruben Neves. Now here's Johnny. Still behind, but the pressure mounting. And there's the feed into the box. Dealing with the threat that was real. Schneiderlin. Iwobi. He's very adept at protecting the ball. Walcott. Will he play it in? Looking confident with the ball at his feet. Happy to pass the ball, but remaining patient. Diogo Jota. Now here's Johnny. Dendoncker. Johnny. Moutinho. Iwobi. Schneiderlin. Iwobi now. Moving the ball forward with purpose. And Morgan Schneiderlin. Kean. Wanted to keep it but couldn't. And the ball with Boli. Ruben Neves. Raúl Jimenez. Running with the ball confidently. And he favours the inside route. And turned onto the woodwork. Played into the centre of the box. A header, but far too straight to worry the keeper.
Yeah, meat and drink for a goalkeeper of that class.
Well, he wouldn't have been happy with his first touch, but kept the ball anyway. Failed to keep hold of it. Adama. Matt Doherty. In possession, Adama. He has plenty of support. Not what he was intending. Bad pass. It's the high-pressure, high-intensity approach. Schneiderlin. Lucadinha. Mason Holgate with it. Sigurdsson. Moving the ball nicely. Looking for that final pass. CDB. Theo Walcott. CDB. The delivery. Well thumped clear. Lucadinha. Well, real difficulty keeping the ball. He's got space. Possession lost, intercepted. Well, they're on the scent of something positive. And Morgan Schneiderlin. And now Dominic Calvert-Lewin. And the referee has added on 2 minutes of stoppage time.
2 minutes of added time.
Digne. That's well blocked. Doherty. And there it is, the half-time whistle. Well, this man will get most of the plaudits for his contribution up to this point, Lee.
Well, Derek, you're right. He has played well, and goals win games. He's been a joy to watch in this form. Sit back and enjoy him in the second half.
The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. Adama. Romain Saiz. It's with Ruben Neves. Diogo Jota. And providing width. Great strong tackle, throw in forthcoming. Moutinho. It's with Ruben Neves. Playing with purpose and control. Ruben Neves. And Moutinho with it. A case of foiling the opposition by whatever means. Showing plenty of defensive acumen and conceding the throw-in. Ruben Neves. It's with Moutinho. That move looked as though it had genuine potential, but it's broken down. Calvert-Lewin. Walcott. Now can he deliver? Nothing wrong with that idea. Just couldn't capitalise there. Now Dendoncker. Johnny. Moutinho. Ruben Neves. And that puts them in position. Into the advanced position. Will he finish? And it's a goal. Level again. What a match this is turning out to be.
Here's the replay, and I can see why the keeper's a little frustrated. He thought he got enough on that to keep it out, but it's just come past him and he's unlucky, really.
A chance to revisit the goal.
Well, we all saw that equaliser coming, Derek, didn't we? And so did he.
Well, the earlier goal cancelled out. One apiece. Iwobi. Calvert-Lewin. And 30 minutes left for play in this match. Here is Digne. Mastery of the passing game. Moise Kean. Calvert-Lewin. Iwobi. No spillage from the goalkeeper. Routine. Sigurdsson. Iwobi. Look at Digne. Iwobi now. A meaty but fair challenge, and it will be a throw-in. Well, they have elected to go to the bench at this stage of the game. Schneiderlin. Digne. Targets to aim at. Well, a sloppy clearance. What can the opposition do with this? That is a moment he would dearly love to have back, if possible.
Yeah, it wasn't his best effort, was it? But I bet he thought, I haven't got anything on, why not try a shot? When you look at those stats, Derek, it tells a story all of its own. They haven't created enough chances. Their forwards have been off their game as well. They haven't really utilised the wide areas for me, but they should go on and win the game, to be honest.
Ruben Neves. Moutinho. Bernard. Here is Digne. It is a decent-looking attack here. Now let's see about the cross. Just unable to get his cross beyond the first defender. Crossing opportunity. Moise Kean. Useful ball to the near post. Now here's Johnny. That's how to rob them of possession. Chiseled pass intended for Walcott. He'll be delighted to have won the ball, having made that difficult challenge. precise with it. It's with Ruben Neves. He's using his strength to good effect. In possession, Adama. Effective challenge.
Substitution for Everton.
They've decided that now is the time to go to the bench.
To be replaced by number 21, Andreas Gomez.
It's with Ruben Neves. It's with Moutinho. Neves. Raúl Jimenez. Moutinho! Absolutely magnificent goalkeeping.
Oh, he's almost turning away. He thinks he scored. The goalkeeper doesn't.
And firing it into the area. Well, you're not going to bamboozle the goalkeeper with a corner like that. 10 minutes left for play in this match. Walcott. Sigurdsson. Well, visionary passing. Calvert-Lewin has teammates waiting inside the area. This is why we adore this game. Late drama, and now they're in front.
Well, it looks like the game is over, but no, there's another chance. And there it is, back of the net. It looks like the winner. Well, here's the replay. Defenders don't like it when he goes to wide areas because they know what's going to happen. The ball's going to come into the box, and on that occasion, it comes in, and now they're picking it out the back of the net.
Well, they have elected to go to the bench at this stage of the game. So back playing once more, and it's Everton with the lead. 5 minutes remaining, and one thing is certain, no one is leaving because it's still close. Ruben Neves. Adama. It's with Ruben Neves. Nice ball to switch the point of attack. Now he must favour the cross. Lost it.
Well, it's a cracking atmosphere in here. The players just need to harness that energy from the crowd to see them through in this game.
And that was a very fine read. And 3 minutes will be added on for stoppages. On the ball in an attacking position, but they've got to do something positive quickly. Now Dendoncker. It's with Moutinho. Diogo Jota. Now here's Johnny. And now it is truly final. The match is over. Well, I think it's accurate to say, Lee, that this man was the light bringer for his side.
Well, he played well, scored a goal. What a good performance from him.